Joyquilts, what we're doing here is what we just discussed on the computer. We're actually quilting the bellflower on a quilt. And here comes the machine. What it's going to do is quilt all the way across, and then it's going to stop at the other side, and then we're just going to redefine our point by picking that point in this previous row after we roll the quilt, and it'll find that point and realign itself for the next row, for the first stitch of the next row. Basically, we don't have to reset our safe area unless one of the belts pops. This will just basically continue the pattern. What we've done is we reversed it and inversed it upside down and backwards so that each row starts at the opposite end. Kind of helps you if maybe you lose your place sometimes in a quilt. You might not want it to travel all the way back to the first row. This kind of identifies each row as you go through it, especially if you turn it off at night and you come back the next morning, you're not exactly sure which number of row you're on. You can turn the speed up a little bit. This is a very basic pattern, so there's not really a worry about the thread breaking. We're using Metler polishing thread, one of our favorites, using a different color on the bottom because the backing is, as you can see from the background print, the backing is the same. So it's kind of a pinky beige color. It works really well with this fabric. This is a sampler that somebody put a lot of time into. It's very pretty. Joyquilts.com, Facebook, Instagram.